So this is my buddy Ken right here. We've known each other for a long time. We're both into cars. We both have a passion, and our passion is with the cars, but we also like to bring people together and to experience this stuff together. And I just want to give him a real big thanks because he's always helped me out with a bunch of like different organization scenarios and everything. And he's one of the founders of Cruising PCH, and he's actually the guy that when you see in the video, the next place that we're going to go to is the Matranga collection. He's actually the one that facilitated all that, so I wanted to say thank you to him. We're at Donuts today, by the way, and we've got a number of Chevelles. What's your thoughts?
First of all, man, Cruising Weather's here. Thank you for ordering it in. Man, all the guys that came down from Fresno, Bakersfield, from all over LA, they're all here. The Chevelles are pretty deep, man, really deep. Can't wait for tomorrow. And this is all organized by Nick, man. Nick did an absolute bang-up job getting the Chevelles here. Last year we had like 200 Chevelles because of Nick, and man, and all the different people that had supported. So it's really awesome, man. I'm really stoked on tomorrow. Cruising PCH is going to be massive. So if you're seeing this video, I'm not sure when it's going to come out, but we'll see you next year.
I appreciate your gratitude towards like my help and everything, but realistically, it's everyone. Everyone helps. Everyone from sharing the posts of like, hey, this is what's going on, and just sharing that like that passion. This car right here, I just met this owner. He came from NorCal as well. He didn't even know anyone, and he just came on down. And there's been a number of people that have reached out and said that exact thing. Hey, I don't know anyone, but I want to come out and participate. So if you don't know anyone, you don't have to. Just come out with your car. And if you got a friend that has a different car, they can join too as well. Like they got a C10, they got something else, a Camaro or anything like that. We're not segregating it away from any of the other cars, but this is a Chevelle event this weekend.
Yeah, the cruise is open to all classic cars. So whatever car you have that's classic, bring it out, and hopefully you could bring a buddy with the Chevelle. And again, one of the rules that we have, and we don't have any rules, but one of the things we ask is, hey, at least meet two people. Like, and it just makes for a better experience, right? Not only for you, but for them as well. So if you don't know anybody, introduce yourself to some people. They're just like you.
All right, Nick here with ChevelleFactory. We're at Donut Derelicts in Huntington Beach. I've got Quito here. Quito came down from the Bay Area. This is the first time he's come down here with his Chevelle. He just picked up this Chevelle recently. Your first time Chevelle owner, how do you like it?
I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Yeah, yeah.
And you're telling me you don't have enough reasons to drive the car, so this is a plenty.
Good reason to come down here and enjoy this event. Otherwise, it'd be sitting in the garage.
So our goal is to get him hooked on this, so he comes down more than just once a year.
That's right.
And hopefully we'll see him quite frequently.
That's
down
right.
here.
That's right.
Yeah, great meeting you. And I love that you got this car. This car is beautiful, man.
Yeah, thank you. Happy to be here.
Yes. Okay, everyone's gassed up. We're not going far. It's probably 15 miles. I am going to go the scenic route down to PCH. We're going to cruise down PCH for a little bit. Ken is going to be in the back. What are you driving?
I got a white Lexus, so I'll be behind you guys all.
Wait, you said you're going to have a Chevelle.
It's a support vehicle. Support vehicle.
Okay.
I got a hot rod, but I ain't working right now.
We got a support vehicle.
Support ride. Support ride.
In the back. That's going to be following. We're going to go out this driveway and turn left. And I'll just be going slow so everyone can get through. If we get caught at a light, don't get stressed out. We're not going to be going fast or doing anything crazy.
Great people. We got great people here, so just make sure, right? Yeah, and then like I said, I'll be in the very back. Again, Kent and Bob Matranga, thank you to them for allowing us to go to their collection. Nick is the one who really organized this.
This is not organized. This is just having fun.
Daniel helped. A lot of people have helped to make this all happen. Mako. So yeah.
Nick was saying if you know a nice place with a good parking lot size for everybody, think about it now, and then at Matranga we can sort out who wants to go.
People want to still. We can go and get lunch after, definitely. But let's make it to Matranga. Let's go and have fun there. We'll probably be there for about an hour and a half, and check out their facility. They're going to give us a tour. You guys are going to be blown away. Make sure you guys are ready to take some pictures and some videos of some bitchin' cars.
Someone told me like the dude with the all brown with glasses is going to buy lunch for everybody.
The JSJ.
That's what someone had told me.
Yeah. I got my EBT card.
Don't worry. All right, so we're all fueled up. We're good. Okay, no one needs jump starts. All right.
You excited?
Yeah.
Big day?
Yeah, we got a great turnout. A lot of people from NorCal and a lot of people from other places down here in Southern California. Everyone coming out and having fun with their Chevelles. Just the right amount of people in the group.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a big day.
Okay, we're here at the Matranga collection. We just drove from Derelicts this morning all the way over for about 15 miles, nothing crazy, but we had about 40 cars, give or take. There was a lot of cars. We got stopped a couple times at stoplights and we separated, but we all came back together. It was a great crew, driving over to the Matranga collection, and now we're gonna go and see all the cars. Let's go check it out.
What's up, guys? It's just Ken. We're here at the Matranga collection. Bob and Kent, Chris and the guys invited us over. Nick from ChevelleFactory organized a bunch of Chevelles. We're here checking out what they have. Man, an incredible collection. And it's a prequel to tomorrow's quarantine cruise. And it's going to be amazing. Chevelles are going to line up. We're looking at over 200 Chevelles. Last year we had 200. Let's see if we can do more. We'll check it out.